Okay, go.
Okay.
Talk it through.
So what we do is we're going to screw this part up at the top here. Pull that out. Keep that cone on the pole there. Remove that. Remove the C-clamp with generous amount of force. 1.
Generous amount of force.
Yeah, hence generous. Okay, now what we're going to do is, the base has got 4 legs. Put it through. You can put either the washer at the bottom or at the top. Put that in. Take 1 screw on.
Just going to change angles. Carry on.
Tighten it until it is stable. As you can see over there, it is stable. Place the vise in. Get your required height that you want. Tighten. There we go. Now, for example, to adjust the jaw length, bring it forward like that. There's to adjust the depth of the jaw. There you go. The closer that the jaw point is to parallel to the vise itself, the better. This is for your rod. Then, to adjust the tension on the DanVice, there's two gears here. The one closest to the jaw, loosen it. There we go.
Cool.
Mighty tight.
You're doing okay there.
That's mighty tight. Yeah, there we go. Hold on. This one's mighty tight. There we go. Then you just move that one closest to the vise, so you can get tension. Then you tighten up with the handle here.
Okay.
There you can see it moves a lot freely. Sort your tension out. Let's go a bit tighter there, and there you go. It's a free moving rotary vise.
Good. That's
Sorted.
enough. Yeah.
Done.
I'm just going to start up.